वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल एंड दिस इज मी प्रज्ञा। आप देख रहे हो प्रज्ञा दास अनफिल्टर्ड चैनल। और आज हम निकल गए हैं एक्सप्लोर करने दुबई का और एक पार्ट, दुबई फेस्टिवल सिटी। यस, आप सबको भी लेके जाएंगे हमारे साथ। दुबई फेस्टिवल सिटी कैसा है, क्या है, बहुत सुना है कि बहुत कुछ है वहाँ पे देखने के लिए। सो लेट्स गो एंड सी यहाँ पे क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता है। आप सबको भी लेके चलेंगे, बहुत कुछ है करने को। और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे। अगर इसी तरह आपको मज़े मज़े का ब्लॉग्स देखना है, दुबई हम यहाँ पे है, दुबई फुल एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। उसके बाद बहुत सारा और भी ब्लॉग्स है, जाके देखिए। अगर अच्छा लगे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और मेक श्योर कि ये वीडियो अगर पसंद आ रहा हो कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और इसी तरह प्यार दीजिए, ठीक है। सो लेट्स गो। So we are going to take bus now. Artificial show of going on here. Just he want to show his new Jordan. That's all. Nothing more. Inside the mall area. So we are going to IKEA first, but
الموقف التالي دبي فestival IKEA. Next stop is Dubai Festival City, IKEA.
we are now in IKEA and let's see क्या मिलता है, कैसा है। It's very confusing over here. Really confusing. It's so big. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है भाई। जैसे जहाँ से एंट्रेंस मिला वहीं पे घुस गए हम। यह पूरा IKEA का सीन कुछ ऐसा है और हमें अब मॉल का एंट्रेंस चाहिए, बट आई डोंट नो। यहाँ से एंट्रेंस दिख रहा है। लेट्स गो टू द एंट्रेंस फर्स्ट। लेट्स सी यहाँ पे कुछ लाइक इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सो मेनी शॉप्स हियर, ऑल आर फर्नीचर्स एंड ऑल। सो नाइस। हाँ, 5-piece bedroom set one. Nice. I need some plastic plants. Let's see if we get in IKEA some good plastic plants for rooms. It's nice to have something. Yes. This is the entrance and let's go. IKEA.
If you want to make your room sky mode, you can do this.
Sky Mode Road is here. 3580 पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? सलमान फिलर मिलेगा। सलमान फिलर्स। Oh my god. And here we are. No. What is this?
Maybe portable
Laptop.
tables
The portable table or something.
and- Yes.
Slate
Something.
for
Slate and things.
फिर सारा स्टडीज़ का सामान है, लाइक फॉर किड्स सेक्शन। एंड देन हियर वी आर। वाओ, like it's a good place to take some ideas for your home, you know. Wow, look at this wardrobe, some lights and all.
Sliding the cancel.
So nice. So there you go.
So open and you can keep your bags and some of them. Once you open,
Correct. I'd like to show you. This mirror itself,
you said they have
3,945.
face cover.
Night dresses.
The same cost.
Wow, it's a walking bathroom. Literally, it's a walking bathroom. यहाँ पे आपको, my gosh, the standing shower 2245. Can I say something? It's like ओह मुझे लगा 9980 का ये पूरा सेट. नो, ओनली द लैम्प इज 9980. Each and everything costs separate here. Ah, these mirrors are very good for doing makeups and all, you know.
Finger glue. Now I shut like duck. This is office.
Here we came. Oh, I need this kind of one dressing table for me. It's very pretty dressing table. Oh my gosh, these lightings are so good.
You will get a boy as well.
A baby coat. How much for baby coat? Coat with drawer 1665. What is this thing? I don't understand. This is study room. Kids study room. iPad and all, everything is here. Living cabinet. Full bookshelf and these things. We have another bedroom here. It's a adult bedroom, like guest room or something you can make. I guess so. Like this way. Reading design. I want my room this style, colonial style. I will export the things from somewhere to my room. These lights are so good, only 99.80, very good. This is 8 clear glass, 3.95 AD. This painting is 15 AD. Soap handle is 15 something. Nice. यहाँ पे इतना भीड़ है भाई. This all are sofas. So nice sofas. मेरे आगे पीछे बस सोफा ही सोफा, सोफा ही सोफा. It's so comfortable here. Oh my god. All the chair sections. It's so beautiful. Nice. It's again. Wow, window view. Look how they given you the window view. It's very nice. Hello. चलो थोड़ा बाल ठीक किया जाए. Why I'm looking not so good. Yes, correct. Wow. It's not a mirror. Actually, people comes here to get some ideas, you know.
They will not purchase. They will take photos and go to Karpali.
What we are going to do? What we are doing? Huh?
This is not the mechanic.
No, they will teach us now. Anyway, this sofa will become this bed, but this is very small. This is very beautiful. This choti tables. Oh my god, all are here table section. Nice. Wow. This is the kitchen. Wow. The inbuilt fridge. Lower is cooler, right? And up is what?
Some storage space.
Okay.
Dumb things.
This color is also very good and sober color.
It's inbuilt microwave oven over here. It's a building.
Nice. Here will be a wow.
Might be removable. Yeah, it's removable. If you don't want this,
You can remove and
it
keep it here.
here. This full space you can utilize.
This crockeries is also very good. Very nice.
Here you will have a dish. This
Cup,
water and
plate.
will fall down. This
Huh.
is removable. This can be taken out like this.
So water and all will
You
come
can
out.
Take it and throw and again keep it back. Like this.
Water and all, right?
Yeah, like this.
Wow.
Dip tray. It's called dip tray.
Dip tray.
It's a kind of GTPT concept.
Crockery set with
And
light.
these are after drying, you can keep it here this time.
These are for glass plate and all, and here we can keep some masala.
Corner also is nicely utilized.
Huh.
Or else it will be hidden space. Task to
The corner shelf, it's like a
Or
diagram
else if you
for
look like
masala.
this, area, see this? It's tough to handle, but this is the
And
corner unit. This will come
This we can all
It's a
the
deep tray.
masalas and all we can keep like
out.
this.
Pressure
Huh?
cooker, everything will go.
Pressure cooker and
Not
all.
here. If you want to keep something on the center, you don't want to go down. Suppose it's your cooker.
Huh.
You want to keep it in the center, you can keep it here.
Yes.
Put it back. Just close it.
Correct. These all are 3 drawer. Basin sink we can put it here together like this kind of. So depth also will be there. It will not make wet also our.
Only need to plan the plug points. One plug point should be in the behind of this, and axis it should be here. Same for the washing machine. Every time plug will be plugged in. Only the control should be outside, and inlet outlet should become behind this.
Got it.
Same also here they have drawers.
Ah.
This drawer should be little low heighted because sink already have this duct, so it should be like this.
All the
But
utensils.
still the cleaning liquid and all the stuff you can keep it here. It might be ductless.
Might be
this
ductless.
is the chimney unit. So it will go here only. It's ductless. No need of taking duct. Or else we should take the duct.
Huh.
So many space will be waste.
Ductless chimney.
Yes. Double height of cabinets.
Then this
Drawers.
drawers. Here either we can put one dishwasher or
Nice
more
partition
storage.
also, suppose.
This is a wooden partition. It's so beautiful.
Very standard with you.
Very standard. And the kitchen size is not so big. Very standard kitchen size.
Living room plus dining space plus kitchen. Very growing this small space.
Wow. Hand wash area, bathroom we can. Oh, it's a closed door.
This is the home.
Literally a home. It's a wash basin.
My dream house. I will just do something like this. Even the wash basin also has storage. Nice.
Very nice wash basin. It's a portable wash basin.
150 dirhams. Yeah, what has separation?
It's a portable wash basin. Na? Anyone can fit it anywhere.
No, the pipe should be connected.
Okay.
So it should be there. If you have a connection, then you can move it. And we are taking it to London.
So good.
Just white beautiful things.
Like
And instead of
this.
paint, you can use
Such a nice baby room here. Baby diaper changing station. Enough big wardrobe, you know.
everything will go in this.
But oh. Wow.
See this?
Nice, na?
And stand. Close it.
Nice his and her section.
Close it fully and open it.
Poda.
Close that, please. That also works.
If I can't open you again, then
I think it will open. I will come out.
come out.
You go into back end.
Back only I am. Huh?
It was so spacious, you know.
It's a nice his her section, na? Huh?
He part and she part.
Nicely they managed, na?
This is the bangle draw. Here are all the stuff in the watches. You don't want to keep the watch on the top of it. Soft close also. Just need to do this thing. Just push it, it will go. Doors also soft close. No need to worry about
Can
it.
you please just imagine in our place people will make how na? People will give here one entrance. Huh? Like this one chotu part. This corner full it will be wastage.
These are ideas which we
It's ideas, you know. Ceiling and all. It's very nice. But still the lighting they show this kind of wow. It's a complete one bedroom wala setup. It's full cockroach section.
Those are now trend.
This is full their crockery and you know this section.
Design and send it.
This is a designer office.
They have designs actually. I can have it.
Wow. Like this. They have a customization section going on. This is their full on bed section. Now we are thinking कि हमें थोड़ा पहले आ जाना चाहिए था because it's too big. ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. जितना देख रहे हो ना, जितना देख रहे हो उतना एडिक्शन की तरह मतलब जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा और ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. इतना बड़ा एरिया. Oh my God. अगर आपका ट्विंस है so this bed is for you. Ay, it will break. Ay, re. It's an ice cream holder. Look at this chair. To sit on this chair. Abhiram. Panda. Ah. Look at my face here, guys. No, cha. Mom, tent house. I need tent house. Oh my God. Star, moon, everything. Hey. Oh, some stuff. I need something like this. Wow, these are only $49.80. Abhiram is going to gift me now. Abhiram, this is look bathtub for kids. This is not for you, this is for kid Vati. What you are doing?
Come on, we have to go.
Eh? Where? What you did? Hey, don't play with these things here. Heading towards the second floor. देखते हैं artificial plants, some bamboo plants मुझे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. Let's see, can I take this or not? Some jar and all is there. Let's see. These bamboos are very lucky for home, you know. These all are dabba sections. कुछ खरीदने का नहीं है, just explore. Now we are here again. Candles, full candles. Nice. This candle section. Then some artificial plants here. The 80 artificial plants are there, nice.
Schaffen. Mutton sheet bananas.
It's a 1280.
Korean.
Oh my god. So much. Small niceness. वाओ कुछ प्लान्स लेने का सोच रहे हैं बट देखते हैं कि प्लान्स मिलता है कि नहीं. आई एम लिटरली कंफ्यूज्ड हियर. पानी टपक रहा है ऊपर से. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गोना डू. यहाँ पे तो पूरा ही प्लान्स और प्लान सेक्शन है भाई. मज़ा आ गया. लेट्स गो टू मॉल एंड चेक समथिंग. कम अब हम डायरेक्ट मॉल जाएंगे. फेस्टिवल सिटी मॉल. वहाँ पे जाके देखते हैं क्या मिलता है मॉल में. लेट्स गो. IKEA's warehouse full. आपको सारे ऐसे बॉक्स मिलेंगे एंड यू हैव टू असेंबल इट. आई होप कि सबको पता है बट जिसको नहीं पता है बोल दो. इट्स द warehouse. दिस इज नाइस थिंग. तो निकल के इधर से आप आओगे एंड स्ट्रेट जाओगे तो आपको मॉल मिलेगा. सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड द मॉल. Pouch check. This is the mall. Perfume they are mixing. It's a mixing the perfume and customizing perfume जैसा. देखने में तो काफ़ी छोटा लग रहा है बट it's quite big. Let's go to Zara and see क्या मिलता है. We just came for Apple Watch. We are planning for an Apple Watch. Let's see if we like something or not. For me this is good. मेरा हाथ बहुत छोटा है ये अच्छा है. And for him this Ultra we are looking for and it's very nice and manly. It's the mall and let me ask him.
Sir, one level down outside. One level down. Yeah.
So we are looking for the fountain show. Let's see. This side one level down and there he's telling like this. Ground floor. हाँ. घूमना मॉल में आना मीन्स वही बस घूमते रहो. लाइक कहीं पे जा तो नहीं रहे बस वी आर रोमिंग अराउंड. कुछ ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. लेट्स सी क्या मिलता है. वॉटसन में कुछ ऑफ़र देख के मैं आ गई हूँ. लेट्स सी सम क्या ऑफ़र मिलता है वॉटसन में. व्हाट वॉटसन इज़ गिविंग मी 75% to 25% ऑफ़र बोल रहे हैं. This is Watson. Let's see what we get from here. Deal लगा रखा है. So I need a hair curler. So this I don't want. This can I take or not? I am thinking. सारा बाल खोल के आ गया तो I'm very scared. Let's see what I can get from here. Hair colors. These bottles are very good for gifting and all. Wow. It's all our perfume basically. Shit. Such. Don't do this. Apirame. What kind of it is?
Sorry, I thought it's fall down.
Fall down.
For me,
Fall
it
down.
is the main
Nice. So I have selected this. चलो देखते हैं इसको यूज़ करके. I never use this and I told them my issue and I was looking for some serum. I got this. It's 2480. I have just taken this and let's go to the fountain. हाँ मिल गया है. Oh my god, I can't see it. ये कुछ ऐसा है. So it's like this. So कुछ बंद सा क्यों है? I don't know.
لا تفوت عرض الناجح عرض مذهل مع الليزر والإضاءة والنوافذ بعد 15 دقيقة
Want to go and walk there?
لا تنسوا أن تتابعونا في مواقع التواصل الاجتماعي @دبي فيستيفال سيتي مول.
Telling in 15 minutes the show is gonna start, so let's see. इधर से जाना पड़ेगा. I will show you. It's so beautiful. Such a nice area to come, stand, relax. Malaysia vibe is there ना? मलेशिया में देखा था ऐसे फाउंटेन शो, उसके बाद कहीं पे मिला नहीं. एंड वी आर हियर टुडे फॉर फाउंटेन शो. चलो देखते हैं इनका फाउंटेन शो कैसे होता है. आई गेस द शो इज़ गोना स्टार्ट हियर ओनली. चलो नाइस. ओके, आज चंद्र ग्रहण भी है एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू how Chandra Grahan looks like, क्योंकि the moon is just in front of us right now and Grahan शायद लग चुका है and the moon is half right now. I will show you guys. Wait.
لتستمتعوا
It's
بعرض
done.
أماجن
It was
رائع
only for
الذي
some second
يعتمد
and we
على
are lucky to
التقنيات
capture it fully.
الوسائط المتعددة.
Some kind of multimedia show also going to be happen here. Let's see. Fountain show तो दिखा दिया आपको. And the multimedia show start over here. प्रोग्राम देखते देखते मून हमारा हो चुका है आधा. was such a good fire plus dance. It's a multimedia show and we loved it so much. Oh my god, it was so beautiful. So अभी जा रहे हैं हम लुलु हाइपर मार्केट, कुछ खाने पीने का देखते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रहा है. लेट्स हैव सम फूड फर्स्ट मैन. नियर बाई ब्लूमर एंड देखो इसका इंटीरियर भाई साहब, माँ कसम, such a good nice aesthetic. And here our लुलु हाइपर मार्केट. लाइक जब तक लुलु नहीं मिलता, कहीं पे भी जाओ लुलु देख के, हाँ कहीं पे भी जाओ लुलु देख के ऐसा लगता है कि ओह आई एम बैक टू माई प्लेस. लुलु इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू आवर हार्ट and this Lulu is more big and nice, more food section. Let's go and jump to the food first. Let's go. समोसा वमोसा तो नहीं खाना है. Wait, let's try some more thing. We will eat from here. Okay. So we are taking this just for now, just for the digestion. Then we will take something else also. Back to pizza. Somehow something need to go inside the stomach. I'm so hungry. Somehow something need to go inside the stomach, or else I will die today. माँ कसम. ये हमने ले लिया है खाना पीना. This is done. हम सीधा चलेंगे घर. हो गया आज के लिए इतना ही. Let's see you guys in our next vlog. Bye bye.